Hey guys, I'm skill number 43, and so I'm going to demonstrate to you all how to get into and out of a car using crutches. First thing you want to do is to instruct the patient to approach the passenger side door at an angle so that the door opens up away from the body. Once the patient gets to the door, you want to instruct them to reach for the door handle with the hand that's furthest away from the body and open the car door not all the way, but only as far as necessary to make the seat available. Also, it should be noted that here that the seat should be pushed back ideally as far back as possible because that's going to make it easier to put the crutches and the lower extremities into the car after sitting. So the patient is going to pivot upon opening up the door. So upon opening up the door, the patient is going to pivot and so to the point where the body is going to face away from the interior of the car and place both crutches in the same hand used to open up the door. The other hand, as you will see, can be placed on the seat, the dashboard, or the door with the window rolled down, which I will show you in this video. Using the the patient will now lower the body into the seat using upper extremity and the functional lower extremity. And now the patient will pivot the lower extremity into the car as well as the crutches. So getting out of the car is pretty much the reverse order. So first, the patient will open up the door, as you've seen I've already done, obtain the crutches, and adjust the body so that the lower extremity are placed outside of the car. Next, the patient will grasp both crutches in one hand, as you can see I've done with the right hand, and place the other one on the seat, the dashboard, or the door frame with the window rolled down the same way as when we got into the car. And here my hand is now on the dashboard as opposed to when it was on the door frame on the way up. Once in this position, the patient will, using the upper extremity and the functional lower extremity, the patient will push and stand up and position the crutches in each axilla and then step away from the car. So as you see here, I put them both in crutches using my upper extremity, pushing myself up. Now I place the crutches underneath each axilla. At least I try. Maybe. So now when the patient gets out of the car, it may be necessary for the patient to turn around to close the door and then move backwards before resuming the gait pattern and direction of travel. So I'll show you here as I turn around. And then I back away before I continue my normal gait pattern. And I understand that this video, just a last minute thing, I understand that this video is a sedan. Now, if this was an SUV, the only difference here would be on my way getting into the car and getting out of the car, I would maybe use a stepper or some type of step to get into the car and come down from out of the car. Other than that, everything is pretty much the same. Well, is the same. Thanks, guys. See ya.